Good morning guys, today we've got here brand new Google Pixel 10 and let me show you how to switch navigation panel, navigation mode. So, if you wish to use buttons instead of gestures, just open the settings, then find and select system. Here go to navigation mode and just by tapping over here you can switch it to free button navigation. Mark it here. And as you can see from now on, you've got button navigation. So here you can use them clearly. And then whenever you wish to switch button navigation to gesture navigation, just perform the same action. So settings at first, then system, over here, navigation, and just pick gesture navigation. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.